Okay, so this is going to be a video kind of showing how I do my makeup. My secret's been revealed. I don't have black lines tattooed on my eyelids.
Ready for the roller coaster. The up and down excites you. We are floating like a dream. Time is buried underneath. We glide, collide, it's the same. I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. You got a million faces, living on display. I'm picking up all the traces, caught you on instant replay. You keep floating like a dream. I am slipping from your reach. Your stride is not the same. I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. Waking up, thinking about me, thinking about you. Waking up, thinking about me, thinking about you. I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low.
Okay, so basically this is just a video of me filming kind of my everyday makeup routine. It's the one I've been doing recently. It's very warm toned, probably because I put bronzer all over my eyelids, but yeah, this is how I do it, and I'm gonna put all of the products that I've used down in the description and kind of where I use them on my face. Also, I was struggling with my eyebrows, and I feel like they look a little bit crazy because I'm pretty sure I'm using a color that's way too dark for me, but it usually looks good once I have the rest of my makeup on. But like whenever usually like pre any eye makeup, I look crazy. Okay, so yeah, I hope you can't see my messy room in the background because I just came back from a trip and it's really bad. So hopefully I succeeded in interrupting that by sitting in front. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want, I can like do a tutorial on how like I do my eyeliner, even though I don't feel like I'm that good at it. Bye!
Love me. I wanna say it loud, but I know you're too lost to love me. I hear it in the way that you say you're thinking of me.